Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel. Hello friends. Today let's make Puran Poli, also called Bobbatlu or Bakshalu in Telugu. This festive delicacy is made with flour, lentils, jaggery and cardamoms. And I'm going to share some tips to make best Puran Poli, and you can make it as thin as possible if you follow these steps. So let's see the recipe. Here I am taking 1 cup split chickpeas or chana dal. After washing, I am soaking chana dal for at least 30 minutes. Soaking is not mandatory but will help to cook dal faster. After soaking for 30 minutes, let's cook the dal on medium flame. Don't use pressure cooker for cooking dal as there is a chance that it may overcook and mixture will become loose when combined with jaggery. Make sure to cook as shown in the pot, and dal should be cooked only 80% and not completely. And you should be able to mash it with fingers. At this stage, turn off the stove and remove water. And instead of throwing away this water, you can use it for making rasam. Now spread dal in a plate for 30 minutes and then we will grind it to powder. After 30 minutes, let's powder the dal using mixie jar. Blend it to a smooth consistency and should be in a powder form. And now let's make the jaggery syrup. For 1 cup of chana dal, I am taking 3/4 cup of jaggery. Now let's melt the jaggery on low flame using just 2 teaspoons of water. It will take just 5 minutes for jaggery to melt. And once completely melted, strain it into the powdered lentil mixture using strainer to remove the impurities in the jaggery. Add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix it well. If the mixture can be molded into laddus as shown, then we can make perfect Puran Poli and as thin as possible. Our stuffing is ready, and now let's knead the dough to make outside cover. We can use whole wheat flour, but to make in a traditional way I am using all purpose flour. Add half teaspoon salt while kneading the dough. Knead it into a soft dough like a chapati dough and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now divide the dough into equal portions and roll each into a ball and lightly flatten them with the palms. Make all the balls ready before moving to the next step. Now let's make same size balls with the lentil and jaggery mixture. After making all the balls ready, now take one dough ball, flatten it and fill the stuffing in the middle and fold as shown. Dust it with the flour and roll it as thin as you want. If the puran is made like this, there is no chance that the stuffing will come out. Heat a griddle on a medium-high flame. Gently put the rolled poli on a heated griddle. Cook evenly on both sides to a perfect golden brown color. Add a little ghee to both sides while cooking. You can add little more ghee on the top to enhance the flavor. And our very soft, thin, perfect Puran Polis are ready to be served. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Please do subscribe for more of my coming up videos. Thank you for watching.